Hello, welcome to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create an internal client for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This is part 1, where we will set up the project and build a simple Jetpack module. So, to get started, you will need Visual Studio installed on your computer, which you can download from its official website. Download the community version, it's free and has everything we need to build our project. Now, once it is installed, open it and make sure you select Desktop Development with C++. Then on the right side, expand the options and make sure you have the CMake tools checked along with the other options shown here. After that, push the install button. Once it's installed, we will download the DirectX 12 template project I made for this tutorial. You can use it as a base and follow along with me throughout the tutorial. Also make sure give this project a star. It motivates me and helps other people discover it. Now extract the project, open the folder, and copy the path. Then open Visual Studio and click the Open a Local Folder button. Paste the project path here and press Select Folder. Wait a couple of seconds until the project is fully loaded. Once it's loaded, you will see a build option at the top. Click on it, then click Build All and wait until the project finishes building. Next, you will need an injector to inject the client. I will be using Hercule Injector, but you can use any other injector you prefer. In Hercule Injector, go to Select DLL and navigate to the DLL location we just built. Then press Inject Custom DLL. Wait a few seconds, then press the Insert key on your keyboard. This will open the client menu. Go back to Visual Studio and in the right side Solution Explorer, expand the Minecraft folder, open the Bedrock memory.h file. Here are the things you need to pay attention to when the game updates. You will need to update the signatures, virtual function tables, and assets. Right now, we only have the client instance signature and a few offsets that we get from the local player class. If you don't know how to find them, go watch my previous video where I showed how to find the local player and the offsets we are using in this video. Okay, now I will be finding the client instance signature. I'll speed up the video while finding the client strength part because I already explained this in my previous video. One more thing, make sure you disable vibrant visuals when you are finding the glint strength function. Okay, I found the function. Now from here scroll a little bit upward until you see the offset, which contains the client instance object in the RCX register. Set a breakpoint on it, then in the right side panel click on RCX to copy the address, add it to the address list, then right click on the address and to select find out what accesses this address. Here you will find the lookup IP address and a bunch of float values next to each other. If it looks like this, then you have found the client instance class. Now select a part of the function, right click on it and choose the bytes only, no address option. Now you have the client instance signature. You can go back to the project and paste the new signature. I'll keep the old one because it works and is more stable since it is wild-carded. So this is how you find the client instance signature when the game updates and the old signature stops working. One thing I forgot to mention, make sure you scan the signature first. It should only find one result. If it finds more than one result, go back and select more parts of the function to make the signature more unique. Okay, now let's add a movement module. First, we will create the folder. Then inside that folder, create the module header and source files. Open the jetpack.h file and here we will add the includes pragma ones, ensures this header file is only included once during compilation. Math.h includes math related utilities used by project. Minecraft Bedrock memory.h provides access to Minecraft Bedrock memory related functionality. Include module.h includes the base module class that Jetpack inherits from. Class Jetpack final public defines the Jetpack module, which extends the functionality of the base module system. And void normal tick context. This is where the Jetpack behavior is updated each tick. void on settings, render override used to display adjustable options for this module has settings used by the UI to decide if a settings menu should be shown. Float speed 1.5 default value of the speed. All right, now let's move on to the implementation. Open the source file. I will speed up the video here because I already explained what each part does. This is also a very simple module. Now go to the module manager, the CPP file, include the Jetpack module. And then register it so it will appear in the categories as a module. Now let's inject the client and see how our Jetpack module works. And there we go. It works perfectly. Of course, I can't use movement cheats on local roles, so I'll be running the Bedrock dedicated server locally on my computer. You can disable the anti-cheat through the server configuration file. You need to add your gamertag to the allow list in order to join the world. Here's also how you disable the anti-cheat. Go to the Bedrock server folder and open the server.properties properties file in Notepad. Then scroll down to player position acceptance threshold and change the default value to something much higher to disable the anti-cheat. And now you can fly without getting lagged back. You can increase the speed as well, and you can see that it makes you fly even faster. And yeah, guys, this was part 1 of the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me continue making more videos. Also, don't forget to like the video for part 2, where we will find the entity list and add even more modules. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.